I think it's really comfortable, very comfortable. I love it already. So we got a pillow for my back on the rider side. Let's check it out. I didn't even put it in a box like that, but you know what? Craft right. It's exactly the size I want. A little bit maybe dirty or something. It has also, very important, I can take it out. You see that? And I have to do some modifications. I hope this is plastic. It looks like plastic because the other ones I have was like wood. You know, I used to use this one from Drug Specialties, but it's kind of getting old and a little bit too small. I have another one from the same company on the bike right now. We're gonna see it, and have lost some of the nails, the stands here, but you know, work good for many years. I just, you know, I don't like it anymore. This is much better. This is much wider, and I don't want a big one. I have seen, you know, they're selling these big ones and everything. I don't want them on the bike. My bike is it's classic. All right, let's see it. All right, so we have this on the bike right now. Okay, but it's very old. It's got some cuts here and everything. I painted. It's just like too old and everything. It works good, yes, but you know what? Everything is brand new on the bike, so it's time for it to retire with a new one. All right, so let's do the modification. This is my old one. I have a new one now on the bike, and it has to go like that. So you know what? Let me take this out, see what's in there. Maybe like this. Okay, we've got to figure out something. Okay. Where was that? That's also Drug Specialist, made in USA. This particular piece it's gotta be close to 30 years old because I have it for many years, you know, since back in the 90s. The other one too. I'm talking about this one, you know, they're both made in USA. Check it out. All right. So, you know, maybe, you know, it's time to replace them. This is a little bit more wide and thick and new. And looking good, not bad. We'll see. All right, so I have to check it out. Okay, I like that. Metal, finally. All right, good. Let me tell you why I'm happy. Because these two both, you see here, it's made with the wood. Probably thin plywood, like, you know, 316 or something like that. This also the same. Check it out. I know my videos become historic or something like that. Check it out. See it? It's a piece of wood. It's like about, you know, I say it's not a 1/8. It's more. It's like 316, something like that. That's the thickness of that, and it's plywood. All right. So you know, time to retire. This is metal, so I like that. It will be more sturdy. Good. And I might just put this over again when I'm finished. just to keep the water out if it doesn't rain. Okay, and let's see now if we can, how we're going to do that. All right, let me think about it. Okay, a pointer and my Asian rigid hammer. I can't believe how long I have this hammer. It's like, back in the 90s, early 90s. And the reason I got this hammer, it protects you from impact. You see that? It protects your hand from impact. And I can tell you, it works for these years. Alright, so I'll make a clear point here in the center. One here. And one here. Okay, I'm gonna use a small one, a small drill bit first. It's very soft, so I'm not gonna put oil. That's the 6mm I'm using. I don't think I even need to use the third size. This is just perfect. Okay, here are the holes. Alright, now I have to cut the leather, but I'm gonna use the soldering gun. I don't wanna, this is vinyl. Kind of like, it's really hard, the material, good. Alright, one is here. And the other one is here. I hope the opening is good enough. All right. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, tension here. No, I didn't have to cut the bolts because this is like way too thick. So I tested, and there's no way I'm gonna, my bag is gonna find the bolts, and that happened. I'm just gonna take them off and cut them. Alright, let's put it on the bike. Let's try put it on the bike. It's not that simple because, you should have somebody to help you. I don't. You're gonna see why. Kanina din naton. I've never lost the battery on this drill. Anyway. Let me lower that. Alright. Not bad, okay. Alright, let's put it on the bike. Okay. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me try it. Oh man. Yes, that thing is comfortable. I don't feel nothing. I keep pushing back just in case the bolts they got, come too close. No. I think it's really comfortable. Very comfortable. I love it already. Yes. I should have done that earlier in my life and the bike life, but you know what? I have the other ones, and you know what? They were comfortable too, but this is better. I highly recommend it, and it's not expensive if you do your own mods. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Hope I helped you out and you enjoy the video. More to come. Subscribe, give us a like. Thanks.